Okay, so I want to see if Silver 7's is getting any of the rodeo business. And see if we see some cowboy hats in here. Parking lot is, doesn't look like it, but most of those people are not driving. So I'd say Silver 7's sounds like more cowboy than virgin. Don't you think? So we're gonna go in here and check it out. Because you already started watching, you're gonna have to stay with it. But it's filthy. I love Door County. I don't know what that is. It was pretty quiet. Okay, so wow. So they've got the rodeo going on right here in the main lounge. And they didn't put out any kind of specials or any kind of incentive for the cowboys to walk down here. It's just, there's so many bad promoters in Las Vegas that don't get fired. Whoever is the promoter for this place, he's got to be fired. Why isn't it $2 beers right now at this lounge? Unbelievable. These people are so tone deaf, it's pathetic. Look at this. Dead. Well, I hate that you have to watch this, but I'm going to show you some slot machines. Look at that slot machine. Oh, beautiful. Tall buildings. So now we get a close-up since no one's here. This is that new blackjack table right here. So the dealer, when the dealer throws out a card, it comes right here, just drops down here virtually. It's really cool. And when you get paid, a coin comes right here and just drops down here back into your bank. The concept is really, really nice. I like it. And it will help people that have the fear of a live blackjack table, because there's a lot of people that think they own the blackjack table and they get pissed off if you took a card when you had a 15, like they're the boss of you. And here, do what the hell you want, and if Bozo over there has a problem with it, he won't even know you did it. I like that. Now, no big roller's going to come here and get on this machine anyway, so it's all for fun. But it is bizarre how many people think, that their $500 bet is some kind of big deal. They're just a little fish in a big pond. $5.
No more bets.
Winner on the 5. That's a good table. I like that because it's while I was standing there, I got offered a drink, even though I wasn't gambling, just because, well, you know, some people are privileged. But anyway, yeah, it's dead, and it's Wednesday night. Everybody's dead on Wednesday night, but I thought there'd be some cowboys in here.
No more bets. Thank you.
If you're worth your salt, you could pick up some women in here. I'm not saying you should, but I'm just saying you can. Well, not you. You're not that attractive, but you, the other guy, the one sitting on the couch next to you, he can. Actually, anybody can. You don't have to look good. What we got going on tonight? Army Navy. That's not tonight, is it? No, I think that's an old game.
If you've got questions, Cover California competitors every step of the way. Enroll by December 31st. Cover California. This way to heaven.
Okay, this is the locals slots. Ooh, this is a new bank of slot machines. I don't think the locals want this in here. Them city folks bringing in high-tech machines. I ain't have none of that. I'm gonna take my business elsewhere. Wow, they took out a lot of the old machines. Look at this, is like COVID. They got 6 feet between. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it a lot. I don't like it at all. Yes, it's Wednesday, but this place, this area is normally 50% full. Are they gonna get rid of all these old machines? This is a great machine right here. This is how I pay my bills, on this machine right here. See? Right there. That's my bills right there. $120.50. That's what it takes me to survive. I'm not sure these modern machines are good for Vegas, because everybody has them, you know? There's just no difference in, when you go to a different casino and you see the same stuff. I wish I would have saw how they did this, because this recently was a tables game room. Before that, it was a slot room. But these machines obviously need electricity, and it's not coming from the ceiling. So I missed it when they closed down this room. I can feel it on my feet. And they have to make ruts in the concrete and bring the electricity over to these machines. It's incredible what they do to change a room. This is a nice room actually now. A lot of room in between. I just saw a waitress go by. You can play all these machines, get tore up drunk. Don't go outside though. It's dangerous out there. Swimming pool is closed for the season. I'll show it to you anyway. It's actually very pretty. This courtyard is very pretty. They have some good rooms over here. This is the non-smoking tower right here. Now the problem is it's been non-smoking for a long time, so that means a lot of smokers have booked it and smoked in it. That's just human nature. Oh shit, it's an empty pool. I'm very afraid of empty swimming pools. It's like a creepy clown. Ooh, gross. Scary. That is disgusting. So this place was supposed to become the Continental. So every time I come through here, I'm looking for the signs that say it's going to be the Continental, but I don't think it is. Now, this time I'm going to finally, if someone's at the front desk, I'm going to ask. I'm like someone that will never ask for directions, but I'm going to ask this time, and then I'll let you know. Okay, that's why I don't ask. I asked the lady in the gift shop if she knew if the Silver 7's was going to change to Continental. She said, what? I don't know. I said, the name of the hotel, is it going to change? She said, Silver 7's. I said, yes, Silver 7's. Is it going to change to Continental? Silver 7. It's on the. Yeah, I know that. And I said, yes, I know that too. She said, it's on the front. It's on the sign. Silver 7. I said, yep, Silver 7. We're on the same page. Now let's move to a different page. Is it going to change to another name? Continental. Oh, I don't know this. I just work in the gift shop. Okay. Now I'm going to ask this guy. Let's see if he knows. Okay. I didn't want to put them on camera because that's rude. But both of them said they don't know. They don't tell us nothing. And the girl, really nice girl, the one with the afro, she said, they don't tell us nothing. All I care about is am I gonna get a raise? And I said, I'll guarantee you I'm gonna get you a raise. And she said, thank you very much. And then she complimented me. I don't want to tell you that. But anyway, that tells me no. They took all the signage about the Continental. See right there on that balcony? That was going to be Pink Taco restaurant. Not the girl, the restaurant. And yeah, it ain't going to happen. Or else they'd still be, they'd keep that sign up. So forget about it. It's Silver 7's. From now until you're told different, it's Silver 7's. It's a great little casino, though. It really is, and it wasn't that smoky tonight. I don't know if they did something with the ventilation or if it's just the fact that it just wasn't busy. But normally I go in there and it's not even busy and it's so smoky you can't breathe. Unless you're like me and you just have to, you're so used to it. All right, that's it for Silver 7's. It ain't Continental.